Feel it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem? Tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
I said it, we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance. Get your fatigues on. All black, everything. Black cars, all black, everything. And our girls are blackbirds, riding with their diligence. I get more in depth if you boys really real enough. This is not familiar. I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave Doug a grip, I lost a flip for 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5,60 shot zeros. Here, Doug. Back to running circles round niggas, now we squared up. Hold up.
Life's a game, but it's not fair. I break the rules, so I don't care. So I keep doing my own thing. Walking tall against the rain. Victories within the mile. Almost there, don't give up now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
In a dark Caesar, please follow the leader. So Eric B, we are microphone fiend. It's the return of V-God, Peace God. It ain't nobody fresher. I'm in Mason, Martin Margiela on the.
I got a million ways to get it. Choose one.
Hey,
bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next.
Hold up.
Somebody bring me back some money, please.
Hove on that new shit. Niggas like how come? Niggas want my old shit. Buy my old album. Niggas stuck on stupid. I gotta keep it moving. Niggas make the same shit. Me, I make the blueprint. Came in the range. Hopped out the Lexus. Every year since. I've been on that next shit. Traded in a gold for the platinum Rolexes. Now a nigga wrist match the status of my records. Used to rock a throwback, ballin' on the corner. Now I rock a telesuit, looking like a owner. No, I'm not a Jonas, brother, I'm a grown-up. No, I'm not a virgin, I use my cojones. I move onward, the only direction. Can't be scared to fail, search of perfection. Gotta keep it fresh, girl, even when we sexin'. Or don't be mad at him when it's on to the next one.
Somebody bring me back some money, please. I got a million ways to get it. Choose one. Hey, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next.
to the next one. And fuck that auto-tune, cause we on. And niggas don't be mad, cause it's all about progression. Loiterers should be arrested. I used to drink Cristal, them fuckers racist. So I switched gold bottles on to that spaceship. You gon' have another drink or you just gon' babysit. On to the next one, somebody call a waitress. Baby, I'm a boss. Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to De Niro. But I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem. All of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus. Driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my top. Sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high five. Nigga, I be spiked out, I could trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I most definitely from.
Nigga, this my shit. Welcome to the city of gods. Pop was the king of New York. Now I'm the nigga in charge. Only the drillers, the city is ours. Found out the ops when you pick them apart. I give them my time, so I give them my heart. If the city love me, then they're really a star.
Oh, man, that's funny. This guy said, buy a DJ kit. That was pretty clean, right? That was pretty clean. What up, chat? Good morning. Yeah, wires, man. All right. Mike, chat cool. What up, Josh? What's going on? Yeah, you haven't started, Josh. It was you from yesterday. I still have the... I still have the music disease. I'm gonna put the... Put there. All right, good morning, guys. What's going on? What's going on? How you guys doing today? Interesting day today. All right, there we go. Cool. All right. It's Friday? Wait, today's Friday? Oh my god, today's Friday. Oh my god. I didn't know today was Friday at all. No clue today was a Friday. I thought, shit, this week went by quick. I thought it was like a Thursday or something. Today's a Friday? Shit. I did not know. I need more time. I need to talk. I need more time to rig the win rate this year or this month. Or sorry, this week. I had no clues for. I thought it was a Thursday or a Wednesday. This week went by. Whew, I think it's like came back on Sunday, right? And then, short week, I guess. Vancouver transition over, you know, time is a little off. I'm 3 hours behind technically right now. Shit. All right. Anyways, we're gonna do some of this stuff. Facts. Kidding. All right. So today is Friday, and you have no news today, which is good, which is very good, because now there's nothing to worry about. No 8:30, no waiting for the 8:45, 9 a.m. candle. It's 8:30. You have potential positions. Man, this is gonna be a great day today. And today is looking very aggro as well here. Did that position just hit BE, if I'm not wrong? Yes, it did. It definitely did. Shit. All right, it's fine. All right, well, our runner hit BE. Okay, that was from like maybe this morning chat. Let's get started though. Let's do a quick analysis, and then we'll get into the good stuff. Yeah, 5 minutes left for the good stuff. So let's see. I'm gonna do this quick rapid analysis. Honestly, the intro is kind of long today, but who is it? Green kept telling me to keep playing music, so I have to listen to him. He controls the intro. My love is all right. My name is Ho. Is there my song? Public service announcement. Who played 2K here? If you guys played 2K, you guys definitely know what I'm talking about. Alright, enough of chit-chatting. I gotta do this real quick. Okay, so you have that. Boom, boom. All right. So let's start with gold first. Gold has potential off the hourly counter for a wick fill. So you have the weekly, or the monthly, which has flip bearish, right? Obviously, you flip bearish. Look at the monthly candle. You have 12 days left. You created you spent the first 15 days creating a top wick. Man, I don't know about you guys, but this wick fill is looking sweet now. Extra sweet now that you actually flipped. So it's earlier this month was kind of hard to see, right? Because like the month's still forming, is still opening up. But now that we create a top wick and we're flipping bearish, very high probability now for us to drive through towards the next support, which is the wick fill at 1680 for the month. So you have 12 days left. I wouldn't be surprised if over the next 12 days you have a lot of aggro days that pushes price down towards that next support target you have in mind. I have in mind the weekly straight bearish as well. Broke the weekly lows. Look left here. Man, we may have some potential today to drive down towards next support. Looking left, you have clean traffic till 1730 today. So that's my next target, 1730. Okay. The daily target today, same boat. You have a resistance over here. You closed below the range last night, and look left. You're basically gonna mirror this count to the left hand side, coming down towards 1730, 1735 levels. Looking left. So that's what we're expecting. That's what I'm expecting. Not bad, but again, small time frame is key here. So drop down to the hourly candle, which is about to close up in about a minute and a half here. You have a resistance over here. Looks like you're gonna close below it in about a minute, and if you close below here, you wait for a top wick. Positions on the flip of the candle coming down towards here wouldn't be too bad at all. But again, I need a decent top wick here. 1 hour closes below. How big are stops? 32 pips. Probably gonna use the first kind of high stops, chat. And then TP down at 57. Maybe even runners. That's just the next target, but you have a lot of potential runners today until next support at 1740. So yeah, pretty clean day today. Just again, it comes down to if we can get an entry here on a small time frame, but this looks pretty sweet. Maybe even 30-minute start play here, because this 30-minute count is gonna close below, right? And there's a resistance over here in about a minute. If you can close respecting that resistance, you can enter the starter play instead of the 1 hour stop loss and have a smaller stop. That wouldn't be too bad. But let's see. Let's give it like a minute here. Should be interesting. GG on the other hand is looking like the weekly is bearish. The daily time frame is bearish as well. You create a top wick. you're bouncing within these zones here. There's a resistance here. This is your support down here. Looking left, this is clean traffic to the left hand side. So I would expect price to mirror that count to the left. Again, small time frame is key here. So positions for me would probably be something below here. Anything below there would be clean sells coming down towards next support. That takes you down towards this level to the left hand side here. So that's what I'm kind of targeting today on GJ. So it's just sells below here, closures, and gold's about to close up here in about 5 seconds here. All right, it looks like the 1 hour is definitely close below. The 30 didn't give the seller play, I don't believe so. Yeah, close like right at resistance. So I mean, you still have the 1 hour time frame, right? So again, after a top wick, previous count stops for 33 pips, TP down for the runner position, which is I believe here in this case like over 120 pips. This isn't bad. Just wait for a little wick though. That's all you gotta do. Last price drives here, which is tough. I'm not expecting too much of a wick too because I'm using previous count stops, so I don't need a decent wick. If you're using current count stops, then yeah, but this is a pretty solid position, man. Just don't drive yet, gold, you know, just wait a little bit. Hey, let's see. Trade's taken. Yeah. Gotcha. Chef Don. Cooking up the pips. 4 pip stops here, guys. 4 pip stops, 100 and something pips TP. I believe if you break the lows here, you may be driving here. So what I'm gonna do here is just gonna have sell stops on the breakout lows here. Current count lows. 1750.643. I got sell stops here, guys, on the breakout current count lows. I'm using purse count stops, right? So 1750.643, all right? Yeah, so on Blueberry, it's going to be a bit different. Blueberry sell stops is going to be 1750.59 and purse count stops. Yeah, because 1750.64 on Blueberry is like the candle low. It's not the breakout low. So 1759 on Blueberry is my sell stop on my broker. All right. Not my broker. Sorry. I don't have my own broker. I can't modify my positions on Blueberry's broker. All right. On their broker. Maybe current count stops wouldn't be too bad. But previous count stops, or my stop loss is above the previous candle high, so it's gonna be 75.4807. I mean, if you can break the 1 hour highs, that'd be great too. But overall, like, look left, like this thing is very clean to drive down. We maybe can use current count stops. They might be a bit smaller for 19 pips. It's up to you guys. Current count stops ideally would be, I'd rather enter on a breakout lows current count stops, so it'd be 27, or it's either gonna be the breakout is low here and previous count stops. Previous hourly count stops / the 4 hour count stops. That's a nice top wick though. Yeah, my stop stop's 0.59 on Blueberry. Maybe I should just put it here too. There we go. See, the breakout lows and previous count stops give you 50 pips. Kind of wild. Definitely day runner set chat. Definitely day runner set though. So we're targeting like 1740 here. Pretty nice target. 100 pips on the dot. We'll probably just end up on this trade here. We're likely to just, I would say, B point for us would be, what's this? For now, I guess it can be here. 1748.913. That'll be the BE point. And as for closing partials, probably there too as well. We'll probably close like 50% there. And then we'll probably close 75% at 1747, 1745, and let the rest run towards 1740. This would be the plan. That's a free activate here. Don's a great cook. NGO, hey, that's all I can cook though. Sorry, you know. If you're living with me, that's all you're gonna eat for the rest of your life. Just a steak. But I did not know it was a Friday. Sheesh. Yo, Nav, we're gonna see news here in Toronto. Oh, scary hours chat. I might get activated here. Oh yeah, this trade here is a 1 hour breakout, current kind of higher low. That's what the trader is. All right. Wow, August, picked up. Definitely picked up. It was a struggling first 2 weeks of August, but things have came right back to where they are. Right? 37 pip stops? Yes. My stop loss is 37 pips. You can use the current kind of high if you want. Have smarter stops. But I am activated here. Stealth has been activated here, chat. Stop loss is the previous kind of high for 41 pips. TP is going to be down here for around 100 pips. 101 pips. But yeah, this is the trigger in 1 hour breakout lows. Stop loss above the previous kind of high / 4 highs. And TP is down at 1740.056. All right. B point is going to be 1748.913. And then we'll let the rest run towards 1740. Did you just say A? Yeah. Where you want mom? No slippage, right? Yeah, no slippage. SSB. All right. Cool. Oops. Yeah, Child's writing something off. But yeah, this trade here is just basically if I can pull this up real quick. This trade here is going to be 8/19/2022. Gold sells Gonna be a breakout off the current higher low off the 1 hour. Risk is half, so stops are massive, but yeah, this is a trade. Break gold sells breakout current higher low in the 1 hour. So 1 hour 80%, current higher low is 83%, breakout is 80%, 1 hour breakout current higher low is a 72.22% trade. So let's trade. And in terms of like managing risk, we'll manage this off of like the hourly candle. If the hourly candle were to come up and close above 17.52, 519, we'll like manage risks and such. But overall, you can look at it from a forward perspective. It could be, you can say it's a forward starter play because the forward candle technically is irrespective of this resistance here. Your entry is near a breakout low, so you can say it's a forward starter play. Forward candle has all the way, like has clean traffic all the way through until the next support at 1744. So you can say it's that as well. On top of that, just a 1 hour closure below. So that's my idea behind the trade. So that's why I use the current 4 hour highs, not like the previous 1 hour highs. For that exact reason, because it's more of like a 4 hour trade, right? Just off the 1 hour time frame. Capiche? That was a trade, yeah. What color should I change this to? Yeah, I don't know if I can play Jay-Z, to be honest. I think I'm gonna get copyright. Let's just something safe. This album's definitely safe. If it runs off the 1 hour, the 4 hour, it would be valid, but I don't think it's valid. We will see. Hey man, if it's not valid for you, then don't take the trade. You know? You know Adam? Adam Paul? You have data split on gold and GJ? Only the win rate. Nothing else though. So that's all at work. Maybe next year we'll find a way, but that's all I got for this year. Overall win rate, gold win rate, and GJ win rate. GJ is 75, gold is 83. Gotta sneeze, man. Holy shit. Hold on. You guys heard it? Good. No, I was gonna blow my nose, but if you can break the 1 hour lows, that'd be great. Many formulas got auto entry for each pair. Yeah, I think that would not be a bad idea at all. Actually, wow, what a good idea. Have like each individual setup for each pair. That'd be great. That'd be cool. All right, we are breaking 30 lows. We are about to break the 1 hour lows. Peace. We are 1 pip away. If we break the 1 hour lows, I mean, look left there, chat. Anything below the 1 hour lows is like very clean traffic coming down towards next support. So expect a push. If you have Celsius on a break at the 1 hour lows instead of our entry, then expect some type of slippage because you may see a quick push on the break of 1 hour lows. But you're like a pip or two away from break 1 hour lows. But once you officially break 1 hour lows, it'll be very clean. I know some people are waiting for the 1 hour breakout lows, right? No, never mind. It didn't break 30-minute lows. Did it? Oh, on Oanda it did, but on Blueberry it did not. Yeah, no, it did not. It came very close though. Didn't break the 1 hour lows though. Because the 1 hour lows is also the break of 4 hour lows too, right? The 15's about to close there. It looks like it's gonna close bearish. In 7 seconds here. So there's that. Should create a top wick, may see another pullback. And then once it flips bearish, it should likely fill the wick. And as it fills the wick, it should break the 1 hour lows. But get that wick fill there. Open up perfectly too. No bond on wick. So you're probably gonna see another pullback here, chat. What'd you get there? Nice. I don't like the weekly no top wick. Hey man, me either. I actually don't even know what he's talking about. Weekly no top wick. Yeah, but it's a weekly. Like if the weekly were to drive up towards 1804, I'm pretty sure we'll see that happen on the small time frame, because from where we are until 1803, that's around 500 pips, my friend. So I'm pretty sure if we hit stops here, break the highs, this thing will come up to create that wick. You know, we'll see on a small time frame. It's also Friday and get a weekly reversal. Yeah, you know, yes. It's also Friday, so the IQ in chat drops here too, for some reason. We only got 1,000 viewers right now, and chats like this. Come on, Brown. Yeah, you know, I don't want Brown boy. You know, if he doesn't like the trade, now is your time to exit. You're at break even. If you don't like the trade, if it's like, you know, this trade is dumb, this shit doesn't look good, I'm feeling too emotional, I can't handle this right now, it's a Friday, I don't want to trade, then exit right here. Exit right now, right? But once you exit, don't be shoulda, woulda, coulda. Mr. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Ah, shit, I should have left it. Ah, shit, maybe I should have added more risk. Ah, why did I close for? I'm so stupid. I knew it was gonna drive down. I just knew it, right? Everyone knows it once it actually moves. So if you don't like the trade, now's the time to exit, because you're at the break-even part. You're at the B, right? Your price is at B right now. Me, I'm still in. I'm in a trade. I'm at the B. Stop loss is, you know, 5-4, 7-3-2. TP is 1740. Risk free, or sorry, not risk free. Sorry, I was reading the MT5 log hacks. Yeah. You're not answering because 1 hour on the topic. That's completely fine. What up, Wix? Hey, did your trade yesterday survive?
It's still running.
Yeah, I know it is. That's why I asked.
I'm at 52 pips right now.
Why'd your BE there? I think I had this off of the 1 hour off of, I mean, yeah, there's really clean traffic until like 7:45. But I chose this area right here to the left as my BE. What happened?
I don't know how I survived, because it broke I went to sleep, it broke the 4 hour high, but like barely, and it didn't, because I had to do it spread. I had it spread about 3.5 pips of spread, and it survived. It broke the 4 hour high barely, and then it came back down all the way down.
Might be different pricing on Blueberry or TD and thing, you know?
Yeah, but I have no idea how to. I must have been like 2 pips away.
Yeah, definitely different pricing on TD and Wanda for sure.
But yeah,
Okay.
shit ran.
Nah, wait, what was your answer again? It was 1760? No, 1756.
My entry is back to the broker.
It's all in love for you. I do. Gold, break the lows. One more pip gold. Say I do. Gold's not gonna say I do. 5-minute closure. All right, so the 50-minute candle, as we expected, did do what we wanted, what we anticipated. Create a top wick, fill the wick. Now the question just becomes, can it break the lows? It tapped this level maybe a couple times. I mean, the 1 hour is still closed below. We're only like the first 1 minute to the candle, but you came a pip away again. All you gotta do is really break the lows to be
17.55.11.
solid. 55.11, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I got BE close half, and then you move your stocks to current kind of highs, and that survived. Hey, what happened to you sample size in that for the year? Wasn't that this year?
Yeah, I should have been doing that. I'm doing it on a small account, but like barely. I get that small account up and running maybe when I remember once every week.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to trade multiple accounts.
It's I don't get the same entries, and then like it's like an extra thing to pay attention to. So sometimes
Ye-
like when we have plenty of time, I'll put in the numbers and I'll open that up. But if not, if it's like too much shit going on, it's a nice trade. Like I won't even do it. I'll just concentrate.
Even if you use like a trade copier, it'll still be the same. Like you still have some type of delay. So
Yeah, there's this mini delay. Like it's like slippage.
yeah. I do. Gold, can you break the lows? You're right there. 5-minute flipping bearish, creating a top wick. It's right there, chat. It's just like 1 pip away from breaking the lows. And not gonna happen.
What you mean?
GJ, what did GJ do? Nice. Nothing. Still in the range. Yeah, honest chat. If I were you guys to say, I will try to avoid this range here because the Fago is clean at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. here. The closure back into that range. But now that you filled the range, the question comes like, what happens down here, right? This is like the question mark, right? We all knew that once it broke back into range, it had the range to come down. But now, like, there's no range. It's right at support. You probably want to wait for a closure below here. You close below 161.894, you have a high chance to drive down towards next support at 161.402, 407, right? So that'd be great. But let's see. I feel that Alex B. Yeah. I mean, we have 4 minutes left to manage risk, right? Trade higher time for no such headaches. Amen. I get headaches every day. Every day. I wake up to get a headache on a small time frame. I love headaches. What time for you to execute on? It's the idea is a 4 hour time frame because I think the whole day I was looking, the whole morning I was looking at the start. I was looking at the start replay, off the 4 hour time frame, but the entry was off of the 1 hour close. So break our current count lows in the 1 hour close using the 4 count stop loss. So that's why the stop loss is here, not the 1 hour highs. Because the idea here today was okay. Well, the 4 count, what did it do here? It came up, respected this resistance, closed bullish, respecting this resistance, right? So that means it's respecting, right? So the next zone to the left is clean traffic coming down towards 1744. So with the break of the 4 lows, I would expect this count to mirror this count to the left and fill the rest of the range here, coming down towards 1744 for the 40-ish levels, right?
What's your entry?
Entry is 50.59.
Good entry.
Yeah. 50.59.
Bruh, why everyone acting weird today? Because they didn't make it to the Asian session last night for me to get them right. So they're weird.
Well, it's a Friday, right? So people have this thing
yeah.
about Fridays where, oh, don't trade the Friday, don't trade Monday, they're not good trading days. And then you have those people that come to the chat. And you also have Friday people.
Yeah, it's Friday.
Just Friday people in general, you know? And that's all right. We don't discriminate. But
no job, people.
the Friday people be usually on one on Fridays. That's a kumpo. Do you ever consider prices gone up, down, X pips? Maybe I should try to take trades in the same direction. With the day buys, yeah, same thing. Price has gone down, day buys is bearish. Take trades in the same direction, which is day bearish coming down, right? So yeah, definitely, 100%.
Get 100, 150 pips here.
Yep. It goes just loading up here. Not loading up here, but it's just like sitting here.
I feel like it's been loading up the whole night.
If it breaks 1 hour lows, like it's a 4 hour breakout lows, right, chat? And also like the day breakout lows. So usually whenever you break the higher time for breakout lows, typically that's when you see some quite a bit of volume on the break or some quite nice pushes, right? At least. So I mean, the trade's already valid. It's a 1 hour trade, right? It's just that I'll wait for it to break out low so we can see that extra push to drive down. Again, if you guys do not like the trade due to whatever reason, you're scared, you're nervous, you don't like me, then close the trade right here. You're 6 pips in profit, close right here and exit. Get the fuck out, right? But don't be Mr. Shoulda, woulda, coulda though, right? Whatever decision you make now is a decision you should be making going forward over the next couple of days, weeks, months, right? It shouldn't just be a decision you're making now and never again type shit. Like you shouldn't be closing here because, oh, I feel scared, you know. I don't like the way, you know, I just don't feel like it's on a drive. Like you shouldn't be basing your decisions off of your emotions.
So feely. Much feely going on.
Yeah, you don't want to feel
in my feelings.
This count's on pullback again though. This count's definitely on pullback. 30-minute count is gonna close up here in about a minute. So it's on pullback for a bottom wick, and then it's on pullback for a new 30-minute candle. All right, this new 30-minute candle may do something like this, boop, and drive down. But again, it's probably gonna create a top wick first, so expecting their pullback. May not create a pullback. If I were you, I'll look at the 4 hour time frame. Just
it is even okay if it breaks its own high.
yes.
Fucking go.
Don't violate in chat. What do you mean? I'm pretty nice today. I don't violate chat no more.
Don needs chat. He loves chat.
Yeah, I love the chat. Why would I violate them?
Why would I violate them?
Do you trade Asian on YouTube? No, I only trade Asian in this other channel. Process for content. Chat on today? Yeah, I know.
Quick's been on the Asian grind. Yeah, I'm trying to fucking, you know, what was Don doing? Trying to manipulate our stats, yo.
Hey, August started off pretty rough, but
I ain't gonna lie.
August has picked up, and I mean we're basically on pace for where we were in July. Basically, maybe the win rate. We took a lot of losses this month, though. I'm not gonna lie, we took quite a handful of losses. 6. That's the most we had ever this year, or the peak. We never had more than 7 in a single channel, but in a month, right?
Damn it, missed him.
Mosquito.
Yeah, I almost had him.
Hey, chat, there's 30 closed below the range here, so I mean, expect a top wick, expect another pullback here. But he did close below 30-minute support, so expect another pullback, and then once you create a top wick, once you flip and break the 30-minute breakout lows, the current lows, then there's a high chance like you'll probably see price drive through towards next support minimum at 1748. So I mean, we're halfway through the 1 hour candle. Being realistic, I would have expected a steeper push by now, but again, next time we can manage risk is off of the 1 hour candle, right? So once the 1 hour closes in about 28 minutes here, we can say, okay, well, depending on where it closes and how it closes, we can manage risk. So what that means is if our stop loss is up here at 17.54 and the 1 hour candle decides to close bullish above the range, then at this point we can say, okay, well, we're gonna manage risk and close full here or close partials here, because it's gonna be closing back into the range, right? So if that were to happen, then cool, manage risk. But 30-minute shows good sign. It closed below the range, closed bearish, nothing we can really change. So still valid, but that's the next step to managing risk off of the hourly candle, or like the 1 hour closing the bottom wick and such, right? That as well could be a case, but let's see. Yeah, 28 minutes left. Yeah, it is a sick ass transition is rolling wicks on the intro. Fire. You gotta hear it, man. I can't even tell you.
I'll rewind it.
It was the last song. It was on to the next. No. It was New York. No, it was Empire State of Mind into
New York City.
Yeah.
Yeah, I already got it. I can see
But the way I did it, I was like, yeah, give me a DJ set, chat. Forget this train stuff, man. On to the next one. We're gonna go cooking, and then we're gonna go to DJ. You know.
Starting might not have much of a top wick, but the 1 hour already has it. So just fucking drive here.
You play some volume music.
Hey,
Yeah, FL Studio. Oh yeah, for real. FL
when you were playing
Studio.
this shit's gone back the other way.
Yep, it has. So, chat. For those that believe in Janxing, For some reason, this is your song.
For all those that believe in the jinx, I need you in this position right now. And just start humming with me.
I think Rocky just got just went to court, but I think he pled not guilty.
He's never guilty.
Why? Cause you're dating Rihanna?
Never met a guilty person in my life. It's like that movie. You ever seen Shawshank Redemption?
Oh yeah.
When he gets in there, he's like, "I'm innocent." He's like, "Yeah, we're all innocent." And he calls somebody's name. He's like, "Yo, what are you in here for?" He's like, "I'm innocent." You see?
I'm innocent. I remember that. Yeah, I watched a movie like this year actually. Pretty
Hey,
late.
what you in here for? I'm innocent. And do it.
No reason, just I'm innocent. Ooh, 5-minute bearish flip after a top wick.
Yes.
Ooh, may see some volume.
Tap that little 30. Close below in the 30, tapped it.
But you know, it's a Friday, so Fridays don't work.
So Wix's IG photos, he's jacked. Hell yeah, bitch, I'm jacked. You just can't tell in all these fucking big ass. Hurts. Hit the gym with me, motherfuckers. I be trying to get everyone in the gym. I'm sorry, I'm lying. I be trying to get 2 dudes in the gym, big motherfuckers, to trade. Because they always ask me about trading. And guys like, yeah, I live on like $2,000 a month. I'm like, how the fuck you do that? You need to trade. You gonna live on less initially, but you need to learn. Are we gonna break the lows? We got it. Did it? Yeah.
Chat. Don't mind Wix, you know.
The morning. You don't get this in the evening. You should feel lucky enough to catch this in the morning, because by evening time they're like dying.
Don't jinx it. Reject, reject, reject. Reject. Gold, reject.
You ain't getting
Reject.
Asian. Reject.
Reject.
No, you have to.
Reject.
You need the wizard stick. Not the buttons. Not the buttons. You need the wizard stick. The Harry Potter thing.
I'll never forget that one time when I was like, hold on, Gold, don't draft just yet. I need this for the Instagram clip. Because I think I was editing, so I was doing something on my monitor. Or my camera was on, so I was like, yo, hold on, Gold, don't draft just yet.
Gold, rectus, rejectus. Coming. It's called a wand fixed. It's called a Wix, not a fixed. You call me fixed, I call it stick.
Wait, is there entry on a 15 highs? Ooh.
What do you mean? I had the re-break of the lows.
You know what, chat? I may move my stops to be here. And then wait for the 15 to close, or wait for the alley count to close. Because if this 15 were to drive, our entry is 50.59, right? So if we were to drive here down, we'll drive down the last 20 minutes, right? But if you don't drive, you'll probably see us pull back. I mean, the 15 will break the highs, and you may, you know, not close us nicely in the 1 hour candle because you have 20 minutes left. So we entered trade at 8, but now that you have like 20 minutes left, I'm just gonna move stops to BE. And we're not closing or anything, but it's just BE here. It's getting very close to the last 15 of the alley candle, right? So we didn't break the lows yet. We're like struggling here. I'll probably just, I mean, if we hit BE, worst case, we just wait for the alley candle to close up in 20 minutes and then just enter again off the new alley candle. Now that we actually officially broke the lows, right?
Yeah, it'd be for me right here on spread.
Let's see. I'm still in, for sure. 50.59. Yeah, still in.
I had 5-3.
Damn. Damn. Blueberry still in.
All right, I got.
It didn't break the 1 hour lows yet. Can it break here?
I don't want it to now. Now I want it to.
If look at our entry chat, our entry is what? Our entry is like this right here, right? This is our entry. So if this 15 were to flip bullish and break the highs, it's like to just pull back steeper. And you can say, okay, well, look at the time. What time is it? Where's my time? Top left of my screen, right? 17 or 7:39. You're moving very close to the last 15 of the alley candle. So if that's the case, you may see another pullback at the end of this alley candle. So if you're on the alley candle barely pushed. It didn't break the lows. It's just kind of in a weird area here. And it'll be kind of tough. But I hit B. I just hit B. So I'm out.
Well, the thing is, with the hour, you're gonna, like you said, you're gonna see two pullbacks. The one on the closure to leave the wick, and the one on the opening to create the top wick on the next one. So, and if it doesn't create the top wick, it's gonna drive. So let's just wait for the top wicks to be created.
Here's another thing though.
Like,
here's another thing. It could drive the last 15 still because it didn't even drive. This 1 hour candle barely drove, right? So what's there to pull back to? You know what I mean? So that could be a possibility as well. But
it could,
yeah, go on.
It could do what it does, like when it's waiting for volume, when it does that with the news or NYC, where it either ranges at a support or pulls back a little. It'll do that a lot before NYC. It'll get to a support at like 8:45 and just kind of range, wait for a volume at 9:30.
Which is in this case our 8:30.
In this case, it's doing that right now because our volume next volume is at 8. So right before the last 15, the last 30 before that, it hit a support and it's just gonna range here. Gonna range here till the next volume, and then the next volume you'll see a little pullback and then drive again. But like we always say, you need a catalyst to drive. In this case, the next catalyst is going to be market open, New York open. And after that, then the next catalyst that we're paying attention to is COMEX, right? So there's a reason we're looking at NY open, pre-NY, NYSC, COMEX now, because those are catalysts for volume. Those are reasons for the market to drive. And the market has a reason to drive. Now we just got to be right about the direction. W risk management.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so like as I was saying, like yeah, that 1 hour, last 15 to 1 hour, typically that rule still stands, obviously, or not rule, that logic still stands. In this case, it was valid. But in some cases, like typically whenever we don't push for the alley candle, the last 15 may drive. But I mean, you didn't break the lows. If you broke the lows, then I probably would have left it probably. But you didn't, right? So it was getting close to the last 15, and look at that. This thing flipped bullish on the 15, pulled back, and it just flipped. But what's good about this is the 1 hour candle is, or may close bullish in 17 minutes here. And if it does that, look left. Where's your resistance here? 17.52, right? So if you can break the 1 hour lows next for the 1 hour start play, amazing. You have a nice 1 hour candle that does something like this, and that'll be perfect for a 1 hour start play. So we can enter a sell stop at 8 a.m. if this were to happen.
Better entry?
Yes. No, same entry base. Worse entry actually, but
on the flip,
1 hour start play.
Oh,
that is experience though, right? Whatever we just did there, managing risk, looking at the 15-minute candle. Some could say, oh, you're being emotional. No, it wasn't being emotional. It was just being logical with the last 15. We had an explanation behind it, right? So that required some experience, right? Market cycles every day. Because we said what could possibly play out, and it played out exactly the way we would have expected it, right? So that is something you can probably get away from today's stream. Not, pips. Fuck pips. Get knowledge. And it's funny because like we're hovering all like almost like throughout the whole 1 hour count, we were hovering here, right? And we never broke the lows. And the final push was when I was like, all right, I'm gonna move stocks to BE here. Because they pushed that level like 4, 5, 6 times at most. Right, so you're not a good student. Well, I guess I gotta go and you know, retire. You hear a song right now? F Pips, yeah, get knowledge, put down a t-shirt. We should. The risk management has been really good. Yeah, this trade today and the trade that we had on I think on this trade yesterday, right? A16 pre-Comex, I remember that around here. This is pretty good too. Yeah, this is amazing. That's a sell stop. Price here came down. Look where it tapped. Around our B point right before Comex. I think there was another reasoning behind this trade, but I forgot. But
1768.
We got it at BE.
Not stops B just yeah. That she has no exact.
The second push, I think it was.
Rebroke.
Yeah, BE hit, and then we just.
Guys aren't really moving to BE here, making this.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm stopped at BE.
Got out.
If you guys aren't.
Shit, I don't know what's going on Friday, guys, but you guys need to get some of that Wick special or something, because whole chat acting up on Friday. Nothing's even happened today yet.
What do you say, Wick special? Who talking dirty to me? Watch the Kardashians if you want drama. Shit, just go hang out with a woman. No offense to all the women on here.
You know what's funny?
What?
Like, I don't know, people are saying student. What they don't realize is that I'm just accepting it just so people could just stop talking. Like whenever those guys in the chat were like student, this, that, well, student. I stopped saying, oh yeah, I bought, I never, you know, was in this mentorship, whatever. I'm just gonna say that I was, so that people can just stop talking about it. Because people want beef so bad. For me, 1 hour start play.
Nice hairstyles. Yes, thank you. Gracias. Gracias.
Can you post a clip of that management? Nah, I won't get anything. The whole chat, the whole comment sections, and be like, "Oh, you're so emotional, man." They wouldn't get it. If you're here, you'll get it. So I'm not gonna post a clip. Also, we have better clips than that, to be honest. Like management. Yo, you had some steak yesterday?
Mm-hmm. Cooked it raw and then seared it.
What? Exactly. No, asparagus.
I know your ass didn't do all the prep work though.
I did.
Charge gonna be.
No.
know, something light.
The
Salt, pepper,
I didn't do
and
the
diced up the onions.
asparagus. But that shit easy though. I didn't do this.
That's a woman. That's a woman
Make
doing
sure
that. I
it's
can
seasoned
tell.
with
I
olive oil,
seasoned the steak though.
salt,
I didn't do
pepper,
this.
lime.
Yeah. Well,
Onion.
that
And over
ain't
here
good.
we got the
I did
steak.
all this though.
It
They didn't
ain't
season it yet, but probably just gonna be
All my
salt,
mom I did
pepper.
all of this. All of this. Chop
Some
the onions. I did
thyme,
everything except from the aside
Tell
from
me a
the
butcher. Tell me a butcher. this
Yeah,
cow.
basil.
Bro, I found a cow, bro. I went cow hunting yesterday after my stream.
Tell me you went cow tipping.
What's cow tipping?
You never been cow tipping? Oh, your ass needs to go up to like Jersey or
Your
like.
ass needs some milk. No, I didn't. I didn't. I never did that.
Never been cow tipping?
No.
Kind of fucked up though, but like, yeah. That's when you go into a field when a cow is sleeping, and you try to tip it over because they sleep standing up.
Really? Cow sleep standing up?
Those cows alone.
Wait,
Yo,
cow sleep standing up?
I got a friend who's got a great story about this. Like he tried to push the cow over and it woke up and it started looking at him, so he punched it in the face. Started running away. Yeah, they died. That's what happened. But we were little and stupid. They died. They can't get up. Moo.
I don't know about
But
you
it's like
guys.
It's an activity that kids do. Like I don't know. I don't know where they do it at, but they do it.
But over here in Canada, we have milk in bags.
Yeah, y'all got milk in bags. You can't even talk.
You ever seen milk in bags?
I went to the club the other day and they gave me my mojito in a bag. Remember?
You guys ever seen this? Who chat? You guys seen this?
Yeah, in third world countries, when the milk truck comes around and you ain't got nothing to put it in, you bring a bag with you. Outside of that, no. That should not be happening.
That's the best milk. Exactly. Okay, this is weird. This is like some. This is what you're talking. This is different.
Yeah, that's the when the milk truck comes by.
This is-
I remember when I used to live in Ukraine, I was mad little milk truck come by. We
This
bring
is what
anything
they
we
have
can.
in Vietnam. Yeah, this is what they have in Vietnam.
Shit, I'll bring an old shoe.
But this is different though. And also, you can freeze milk too.
We have kefir in plastic bags. No, it's shit's supposed to be in a bottle, right? Liquids are supposed to be in a bottle or a carton.
No. Liquid's supposed to be in bags.
You're shot.
Act more stupidly. Way better in the US? Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, they cut the tip. Yeah, they cut the tip with scissors, or they have a milk cutter, milk bag cutter. They have one of these. Yeah, that's what I got. They have one of these. You put in your fridge, and then you just like, whoop. It's kind of cool. That's actually pretty interesting. Now that I think of it. You guys have these in America? Probably not, right? You can cut anything. You can cut anything with this. Open it with teeth. Crocodile teeth. Why do you have scissors? Because it's on the fridge. It's always gonna be on the fridge in Canada. Every Canadian household has this on their fridge. I'm pretty sure. Damn, it's kind of cool. I look, I want this one. I should collect these. Yep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So what's the word today? I didn't know it was a Friday. Going to the DBS meme gram already? What are we doing here? Bro. This is not me. Holy shit. Yeah, that really. The steak is burnt. That is well done. Dude's attack with it. Oh. That got me weak. Nah. You guys should see me cook alive, you know? You guys might not survive. Yo. Mom, can we see Salt Bay? No, we got Salt Bay at home. That's the Salt Bay at home. I got fucking clapped today. I've got 20% of my account left. Damn. Damn, man. I don't know what to tell you. That's just tough. 20% of your account left? At least you got 20% left. Hey, better than nothing, eh? You still work with that. But I know the feeling though. Right now you're probably like, oh, I might as well blow the rest. But then the thing about blowing the rest is that once you blow the rest, you're gonna deposit more. So it's like, why not just keep the capital and just trade the way you usually trade it. The last 15 of the alley may pull back for the weekly. Yes, the weekly will reverse here. I take stupid trades. I just lower my lot and try to build it back up again. That's wrong, brother. You don't want to do that. Were they really stupid trades or the trades didn't play out? There's a difference. Because you can take smart trades and the trade cannot play out. It's not a stupid trade. Right? Oh, there's one out of topic. So is it really a stupid trade? Or is it didn't play out a couple times, so now it's stupid? Because the right answer is to do the same thing you've been doing, same entry, same setups. If your sales were initially off of probability, right? And as for the building back up part, you don't want to build back up. Whatever happened, happened. Don't chase it. Hey, where are my friends at? I need to get a coffee and some breakfast and Marcos and Wix9 always leave me. I just need more sample sizing, brother, to be honest. I need a quick trade, bro. Flip a coin. Let's see. Heads buys on gold, tails sell. All right, you're buying gold. There you go. Your price is 1753.085. Let's see what happens.
Got a top wick for the previous hour.
Yes. Oh, the alley count is gonna close there in about now. In about just close. Where did it close? Right above resistance. Nice. So the 1 hour close right above resistance, which makes this interesting. No sells here. No buys for me here. There won't be any buys for me here until you break above this resistance to the left hand side here, above here. But it's looking pretty chalk right now. I will tell you that. If the 1 hour were, I mean, the 1 hour close below most recent resistance. But as for the resistance to the left, it closed respecting. Let's see, how big is the seller play? Because if it's closing above most recent and the 4 count is still bearish, the 1 hour create a top wick. You break the lows, your stop is going to be around 35 pips, 39 pips. Same stop. TP will be down here for around, it comes down to Comex, I believe, the 820 candle, but
You'd really want a bearish closure somewhere here, though. After that bullish 1 hour.
for a 15-minute start play, yeah. 1 hour start playing bad above most recent. I didn't see the most recent just till now. I guess it'll flip, and obviously once it flips, the idea is gone. The idea is gone to waste because it won't be valid anymore, right? But as long as it doesn't break the highs, it breaks this low here, just think it's still a valid drive, which wouldn't be bad. GJ, what did GJ do? Day buy says bearish. The 4 broke the lows, flipping bullish. Nice potential 3-minute fake out. Yeah, just
I'm
kind of
back
ugly.
in 10 minutes. Try to be back for comics.
All right. Already.
BRB chat, stay off the roads right now for the next 15 minutes. It's going to get wild out there.
If it breaks the highs as buys. If it breaks the highs, you can probably see it drive up towards 17.56, but it's not buys for me. Not part of my playbook. Don takes stupid trades like you're watching a stream who's very stupid. Exactly. Damn. 15 broke the lows, or 5 broke the lows, 15 broke the lows too. Chat, we're gonna have a sell stop on the 1 hour starter play. Down at 17.49.805. Because the 1 hour came up, right? It broke the previous highs. I mean, there's a high chance this account could flip and not activate this, but we have stop loss here right now. Stop loss would be the 17.53.827. It's here until you flip. So if you flip. Same stop loss is the previous 1 hour high, and TP is same TP as before. Man. You're gonna stay Wix? Where are you gonna go?
I'm going to set up my positions and then go.
If it rejects your chat, I'll probably reject here, to be honest. Because look at the support here, right? So if it rejects, I'll reject here. But if it breaks the lows, 1 hour starter play is indeed valid. Because this is your first rejection zone. Have a good day. Peace out, Dustin. Peace out. With fixed lot size, how can you keep losses at 1%? Because you risk 1% slash fixed lot sizes. So we're actually risking a lot less than with 1%. When I say 2% risk, that's the beginning of the year. As the year goes on, your account grows with our stats. Your fixed lot size in January becomes like, was once 2%, it now becomes like 0.75% per trade. So it changes. But I'm not, the way I use my, the way I change my lot sizes, I change it once a year, right? So I don't really like go off of percentage, because with percentage you can just increase the lot size throughout the year. I don't do that. I stick to one lot size per year, and I increase them once a year only. And no, I make it yearly. Maybe a glimpse. I got a lot of our services, you know, a lot of our stuff, but maybe a glimpse, yeah. This side of it, yeah. That's so weird though. Like, isn't that weird? Like, no, every other industry is like, you don't really know how much people make. Yeah, imagine asking your favorite rapper, how much you make this year? What percentage gains you make? How much you pay in taxes? Like, aren't those like just questions you don't really ask people? But in this industry, it's all of a sudden it's okay.
Rapper, if you're asking your favorite rapper, he definitely doesn't know.
Exactly. I don't know either.
You can be asking some people that do know, but your favorite rapper don't care.
Yeah, it's in a video. This in this video?
We ain't burning. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. We ain't burning. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. We gon' fuck around down. Playing going on shows. I been on the road, I don't care why I go long as I keep playing that.
There's another thing to it. Oh, this one.
We ain't burning. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. We gon' fuck around down. Playing going on shows. I been on the road, I don't care why I go long as I keep playing that.
Bro made her pull out the weather app. Got nervous, started pulling out the weather app. You know, that guy goes to the party chat, and then at the party, he's like on their phone, like, yo, what's the weather saying today? Just being nervous.
We're already creasing the fuck out of those J's. I'd be upset.
I'm upset. 50,000.
Greasy Jakes. On my feet is disrespect.
Comac's open about 13 minutes. You ever listen to R&B soul? Yes, I actually do listen to R&B soul all the time, man. All the damn time. Matter of fact, we'll play some R&B and soul right now.
She is 7, but that smile made her a 9.
You guys want to play R&B? You guys want to sleep this morning?
What's love got to do with it?
For real? Yeah, I listen to everything. I got a bunch of shit. I listen to.
Hey.
I listen to everything. I have an R&B and soul playlist, I'm pretty sure, somewhere. One of these playlists. I got a lot of shit. I got some old shit. You know. Got some chill stuff. Got some DTB stuff. Toxic. Got some throwbacks. This is the R&B playlist, I think. R&B / throwback. I got, you know, I got everything. I got everything.
That's the song if you ain't never seen the dance to it. What you mean with things he's driving? When Wix is driving, this is what it looked like. Alright, be back 5 minutes.
We're going in 5 minutes when this thing is pushed. Jeez. Thing chat, what's going on? Oh yeah, sorry. There you go. I had it pre-typed. What must I learn to become a trader? You must learn patience. You must learn that you may not make it out the hood with this. And that's completely fine, right? That's completely okay. You also gotta learn that you will take losses, and that's fine as well. Losses are part of the game. You also gotta learn patience. It takes time. It's not gonna take you a day, you know. Like, you can't just tune into the NY session for a day and expect the next day to wake up and be profitable. It takes some time. Y'all learn to lose money too. You also gotta learn to stop asking those questions, Sad. How long to become profitable? What's your lot size? How much do you make? What's your percentage gain this month? How long were you stuck at the, you know, like, these questions don't really get you anywhere. All it does is make you compare yourself. Oh, so it took Don 8 months to get profitable. Maybe if I wait 8 months, I'll get profitable too. Nah, man. Right? Does not work like that. I wish it did. I followed a mentor that took 2 months to get profitable, you know, but unfortunately not. Everyone has their own way of learning. Some are slow, some are quick, right? Everyone's different. I'm a quick learner when it comes to certain things. Depends how hungry I am. So for FX, it's a bit quicker than other things, but it depends on the person you are, man. How disciplined you are. I also was not disciplined when I first started trading as well, though. I was barely 18, or I was barely 19, right? When I first started, I was like 18, so it's different compared to when I'm 22. Obviously, like 22 still, like, there's still a long way to go, but I'm pretty disciplined when it comes to trading, as you guys can see with our spreadsheet, right? We only wait for our setups. There's days where we miss hundreds and hundreds of pips. We're not really worried, concerned. On to the next day. Come back to the same thing tomorrow, right? And then you got like 5-year-olds trying to beef with you. Plan. Any of your friends trade? No. My friends do not trade. And I wouldn't want them to trade too, to be honest, because I don't want to have to talk about that. Like, imagine going to like a bar or something and being like, yo, did you see Gigi last night go down? Like, that was crazy, bro. Like, nah, man, I'm trying to chill. I'm trying to have a good time, not talk about trading, not talk about work, right? When you finish work, chat, when you guys clock out at work, do you guys go to the bar and be like, wow, today I finished 2 skids today. I finished 2 skids of tomatoes today. I stocked that up. I went to the back. I stocked the back up. I did some paperwork and I went home. Like, no, man, you finish work, man, that's over with. Go live your life, right? Work's not your life. Like, when you go to work and you clock out, you also don't sit in front of your store after and sit there and be like, wow, this store is so nice. Should I go in again and work? That's like you over trading, right? You trading and calling it a day and then sitting at the markets being like, damn, the market's like pretty clean right now. Should I take a trade? I'm already up for a day. It's like saying, yeah, I've already made money for a day. Should I go back to work and work another shift? You would never ask yourself that ever in your life, have you? Or you never said that. Maybe if you worked extra, like overtime, yeah, but you wouldn't leave and be like reminisce about work, man. You love your job? Well, yeah, if you love your job, definitely, for sure. But I didn't like my job. Well, it was my first job ever, and it wasn't like my full career job. I'm talking about like part-time, like, you know, like 9 to 5-ish type job, not like corporate. Not your career. But even so, like, you're working for someone else, like, you wouldn't want to you want to go home and do some stuff for your life, right? Spend time with your family, your friends and stuff. Are we still talking about that shit? The podcast dropping today. You gotta ask Marcos. Speaking about Marcos, where is Marcos? Oh, he's online. Probably come soon. Still on Blueberry? Yes, sir. You have COMEX open here, chat. The 15's about to close here. Look at the way the 15 closed. There's a resistance here, and you close back into the range. So this 15 here could possibly do something like this after creating a top wick. And as it does that, it may activate our sell stops. Let's see here. 30-minute candle. Down forward, we break all those. You know what, chat? I may wait for after COMEX here. I may delete sell stops here and then wait for the COMEX candle to open up, because the COMEX opens up in about 5 minutes here. And the worst thing I want to happen here is if we get activating when we just reject here, right? So I'd rather delete here and then wait for a 30 to close. If the 30-minute if the COMEX candle drives down at 820, and we close below the range for 830, right? Because the COMEX candle is at 820, you have 10 minutes for 830. You close below at 830, we'll take a sell stop. We'll take positions, but I think I'm gonna wait for that at this point, because I'm concerned about the top wick here on a 1 hour candle, and also COMEX. That's it. The 8, 15, 20 candle. It's kind of tough here. The 15 did close bearish though, so you probably would expect this 15 to flip bearish after breaking the highs, but I mean, unless you break the highs here, that'd be great. That'd be good, but I would expect a steeper wick here. So yeah, I got no sell stops here. We deleted. You love hear me saying COMEX? Why? Our homework every day. By the way, chat, for those that are new here, every day at 8:20 a.m. Eastern, we do homework on COMEX. So this is when we take notes and look for potential mental positions for next year. Same strategy, same plan really. It's just with the 820 volume, it gets a little tricky. But we're trying to incorporate that into our trading plan. So who wanted to play R&B? This is what you guys got us into now. Everyone's down bad now. It was dope. Hey, welcome from Cape Town, brother. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate it. So what's the COMEX analysis? It comes down to 820, but this 15 here, so the pre-COMEX is 815, right? The 15-minute COMEX candle closed back into the range here. I would expect this 15 to flip bearish and drive through the filter range minimum, but it may struggle here. It may struggle here just because of the support to the left here, but this range fill should be valid once it flips, if it flips, right? Only if it flips, because if it doesn't flip, then it's just gonna drive up. But you have 5 minutes left for the COMEX candle, and this 5 here is gonna close bullish. So if you go into 15 here and you have your zones marked up as this resistance here and support here, you go into 5, that 5 break of lows is a 5-minute starter play. So if this 5 here in a minute and a half can close bullish, respecting this resistance, then perfect. The breakout lows for COMEX for next year would be an amazing sell stop coming down, because then you can take the range fill coming down. On top of that, you have an advantage point, which is the range fill, right? So by the time you tap the support, you start at BE minimum, break even, and because it's a support there, right? But also, you will probably have to be a lot quicker if that were to happen, though, because it's gonna be a quick push. That range going down is like almost like 10 pips, like 8 pips, right? But it's an advantage point you have. So you're taking a chance that price may break through with the 1 hour breakout lows, with the advantage point of the range fill. But let's see, 25 seconds. Let's see what happens. Again, no positions for us for 820. It's just an analysis that we do every day for Comex for next year. So I don't want to get anyone confused. Looks like we're not going to close like that though. So 8:30 it is. Yeah, 1,000 close bullish above. Cause 15 can still flip though. Still a 15 candle, right? But the 5 wasn't there. If the 15 can flip here and drop down, we'll get a nice 30-minute closure below a support 750 at 9:30 or 8:30, sorry, in 10 minutes. And then everything sells coming down for 4 pips. All right, so the 15 has flipped. You would probably oh, didn't break the lows. Once it breaks the lows, you should see it drive. Yep, there it is. Break the lows. So now you have this range coming down towards 17.494 or 974. Nice. All right, there it is. So there's your Comex. That's your Comex stand up, right? So analysis played out. The 15 flip, your BE now. It doesn't matter if it's only like 7-8 pips. It doesn't matter because it's a support. You can't ignore the fact that it's a support. So if I was in it for next year, at this point, I'll be risk free at break even, and then I'll let the rest run towards 17.4 or 5 because this is the question now. Like this is the question mark area. What's gonna happen here? Right, we don't know what's gonna happen here. It can reject, it can drive straight down, who knows. But what I do know is that there's a heavy support here. So if you close below or want to close below, clean traffic coming down. Until then, we are gonna reject, right? So but that's your Comex candle. That's what I'll do when it comes to Comex next year. That was pretty good though. We're pretty accurate in Comex calls. Like we usually like every time it sets up for us with a good good price action, we usually be pretty accurate with it. I would say like a lot of times we've done it every day. We're probably wrong maybe like 3 times on stream. But it's not enough. I'm gonna sample size until next year, right? Yesterday was kind of a Comex trade. We had a trade at A16. It was similar yesterday, but not like direct Comex. It was off of 15 candle, right? Think it's a good idea to start taking one fourth risk. Honestly, that's not a bad idea at all. But I don't like taking trades with like lower risk because like there's no point. Not because like I don't make enough money percentage, but it's because if I'm taking a trade and I'm comfortable in the trade, why would I want to go half risk, small risk? If I'm confident in that trade, I want to go my normal risk. If I'm going half risk, partials or whatever, percentage like quarter, it means that the trade doesn't have a higher probability yet, right? So I gotta wait until it has a higher probability and then enter my normal lot sizes. That's me though. Comex trade comes into effect. Yeah, Comex trades, like you'll definitely like, I don't want to say guaranteed to trade every day, but most likely you'll get a trade every day. Most likely. The break of lows gave you what? 8 pips there? Yeah, for sure. Definitely BE. The flip gave you 12. If your entry was a flip close in half, I thought support wasn't bad. GJ? Yes. GJ 15 close, no bottom wick though. Let's see. You have a 30 closure in 5 minutes here. If you close below, that'd be great. Yeah, Basel 75.7 probably. Above 75.7 or even above 75.9 going up towards 17.66. But until then, there's nothing I can do here. Sorry, nothing I can do here. And nothing I can do here. My pips is big stop loss to you. What is big stop loss? It's kind of relevant, right? Big stop loss. What does that mean? Just go small risk. 1% is 1%, right? I've taken trades of 7 pip stop loss before. I've taken trades of like 100 stop losses before. It depends. It depends on what type of trade it is. Sometimes it's a trade off the daily. Sometimes it's a trade off the 15, which has a smaller stop loss, right? So it really depends on what time frame, what pair it is, right? But your risk remains the same, roughly. 1%, 2%, same shit. Bigger lot size, small risk. Stop loss has nothing to do with your trade though. Like how big the stop loss is doesn't really affect the way the trade plays out or not. Honestly, Terror is a second nature for me. Holding out shift and doing this. I mean, second nature me to do this for some reason. I've been doing it for a while, so it's gonna take me some time to adapt and adjust. How much you making in a month, bro? Lucky for you, we have 10 months of results on our IG. You can check out from 2020 to 2021. As for percentage gain, I'll say as of this year, like I'll say an average of maybe 10-15%. Depends. Some months we may finish off like this month. We're a little behind. I don't think I'll get to 10% this month. Well, maybe. Who knows? We got 10 days left. Who knows? But I was like, it's kind of a slow start this month for us. Very, very slow start. But things picked up this week for sure. This week was a very good week. No losses this week just yet. Just yeah, could be the last today though. All right, yo. This music is putting me to sleep. Whoever asked me to play this music, I can't. Gotta turn things up. I throw that jam, I know, but sleeper on a Friday? Nah, man. On a Friday, I won't play this shit. You started Nasa's brother? Yes, sir. 1 hour flip. Nice. Did the 1 hour break the lows or no? Yes, it did. US 30 here. US 30, the weekly, the monthly looks like it is bullish, but I can still reject since they're closed, respecting this resistance to the left hand side here. So for all we know, it closed no top wick. This thing will still flip bearish and do something like this for the month, for all we know. As for the weekly looks, oh wow, no top wick again. Range one breakout too, so you can get a potential fake out. Again, you probably want to wait for the weekly candle to close though. Once you close this week, you'll have a better direction in price. Right now, it's kind of a tough area. Technically, it's still bullish though. Technically, with the weighted candle close bullish, as long as it respects the lows, it can still drive up. Daily today is bearish. You close back into this range the other day. This doji candle yesterday closed respecting this resistance. Price is driving down here. Looking left, your next target may be today 33,400, 33,300. So keeping that in the back of your mind, 33,300. That position for you would, or sells for you, would be probably below here. If you can break below 33,691, then you have a high chance price may drive down towards next support, which takes you down towards 33,500. And if you want to go with the day target being 35 or 33,300, that's going to take you down towards here, this range here to the left. So you have all this clean traffic to drop down. It just comes down to where price closes here. So you have a support here. You want to probably wait for a closure below here to drive down. You have closures below here, and you have closures below here. So you have all that range. Looking left though, this is a pretty nice range though. And then below here, wait for a closure though. Probably not. NYC 930 will be a play. NYC closes, you have that volume, you be in good hands. Alrighty, gold 3-minute, no top wick. Okay, potential 15-minute fake out, 3-minute fake out. Interesting. What up, Wicks?
What's up? I made it.
Yes, you did.
I made it.
Made it for GJ.
I don't know if I could say the same thing for everyone else out on the road. But you know how it is. The red light's mine, the green light's for everybody.
Yo, Wicks nice. Spit some Wicks wisdom while I get some coffee real quick.
Bring me some coffee.
Yo, is Marcos here today?
Nope.
He went back to bed. I was asking for an Apex later, but hold on, let's see if
but yeah. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Don just
Don
deaded
Julio.
me on here. Deaded me on here, right? Just dipping on me. All right. It's all right, guys. Life's a mountain, and our goal is to not reach the top. Our goal is to find the path up that mountain, and then you can reach wherever heights you want. The top, the bottom, middle. Just find the right path. How are you? Good morning. So bring me, baby. Money, please. You got a truck? Yes, I got a few trucks. Sting for them, baby. Is that the famous baby? I don't know. There's 3 of them. I don't know which one's famous. This is the baby. This is the little one, the smallest one. It was her birthday 3 days ago. Oh, wait, it's the 19th, 4 days ago. Life's a mountain. I'm taking a helicopter. Yeah, you can take a helicopter, but then you got to look for a landing spot somewhere on that mountain when everyone's trekking up together. Yo, baby. Trade. She ain't into that. Hey, yo, baby, spit some bars. They want you to rap. Can you rap? Let it go. Let it go. Fresh. Bring it backwards. She's like, what the hell are you talking about? Will you ever teach your kids trading? Hopefully not. I don't want them to do this shit. This isn't the life I want for them. But hey, if they ever want to learn, or if they show like some, like, I don't know, some interest, yeah, I don't mind teaching them. I love teaching. It's one of my favorite things to do, is to teach, to educate. I love educating people. She looked like those babies on the cover of the Huggies products. My oldest one, when she was a baby, she looked like that more than this one, more than any other. Go watch cartoons. Wix, look at GJ. I can look at GJ, but I can't turn it on for you. Yo, baby has dreads. No. Shit, I'd be sleeping on the couch if I gave him dreads. My wife would fucking kick my ass. Oh man. Hey, my man.
Hey, my man. In your opinion, is it possible to swing trade gold if effectively if someone works a 9 to 5? You know what would be a good idea? Taking the trades off the daily. Yes. So yes, I guess yeah. Yes, that'll be valid. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what your strategy is. I don't know the way you trade, but off of the way we trade, if I were to work and I didn't have time to stay up for New York, Asia, London, I would just take it off daily.
Yep.
Just daily candle.
Daily swings.
Just the moment it opens, I wouldn't even care for a top wick, just or wait for a top wick and such. Just open it. Stop. You might have bigger stop losses, but overall,
oh, yes, got the fucker.
yeah, yes, I was playing Apex. Mid game, this guy texts us in the chat of Apex. He goes, "BRB, go get this mosquito real quick." He comes back, got him, guys. I'm like, nice.
That's
good shit, King.
I would love that guy. That would be one of my homies.
Yeah, BRB, we're in the middle of a gunfight. BRB, go get this mosquito real quick.
He to the isn't. He to the.
Beat today is a.
We're scalping mosquitoes. Skinning them.
Yeah, for those looking at GJ, the reason why I'm not looking for positions on GJ is because the hour candle. The hour candle is still bullish, so I can still reject at any given point or fly up. If the 1 hour were to close below this resistance, then maybe I would attempt it. But with the 30-minute candle being the cleaner candle and the 1 hour being the tougher candle, and the 1 hour not respecting that resistance to the left, kind of tough. So I'm gonna wait for the 4 candle close on both pairs at this point. Wait for the 4 close on GJ, which doesn't look too bad, and also wait for the 4 close on gold, which may close bullish. All right, so you have 22 minutes left. I was just waiting, but it'll be a very key 20 minutes.
Capiche?
Capiche?
To understand. Yay. Put your hands up. Put your hands. Got to feel me. He's not real to me. He doesn't exist.
Wear a do-rag someday? What?
Wave check. Wave check on the do-rag.
When you get 100 wins this year, you owe me 100. You owe me 500 quid. What? 100 wins? I'm gonna get 99. Stop right there.
End the year.
Up. Year's over.
We'll start.
I think beginning of the year, off of like the first 3 months, I think we anticipated like maybe, I think 130, 120, right? 120 wins around there, or 130, and like 30 losses, and we're on pace.
30 a quarter.
Yeah, because we went off like January, February, March. Like, okay, well, by March we had, to 6 losses, and our majority of losses came from May, June, July, August, like quarter 3. Oh no, actually no. The most losses we took in a month on stream was 4, and that's a bad month for us. For you guys, you guys freaked the fuck out 1 loss, right? So imagine 4 of those losses. You guys freak out
within a 30-day period.
Yeah. Some people take 4 losses in a weekend. You guys won't even trip off, but for some reason with us, you guys trip the fuck out. people like lost 4 losses in a day. You know, slipped here and there, 100 pips full margin, and on stream here we take like 4 losses in a month at most sometimes, and you guys go crazy for some reason.
They just don't understand.
Fake live trades.
It's alright, chat. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forward. So live it and then understand.
For lost in the last 30 minute. Patience. 4 losses an hour, bro. I'm about to take 4 losses per second. Zoop. H to the SO, V to the SA.
A whole book full of Wix quotes. You're gonna need to go through 2 years of fucking streams. It's actually pretty good. Good idea, the Wix fill. Pound, call it a day. Apex time. Ah!
I'll play Marco's after. I'll stream it. Show you guys how toxic Marco is. Believes me. Check the charts for stream, bro. You are now changing with the fame. Charts for stream. What do you mean? I check that. I check that every day. This channel, I checked every chart. Like, forget the 21 messages that I didn't see. I checked every chart, guys. Like, I already saw these charts. You know, nice chart. Nice. I'm kidding. Hey, Wixnot. Let's take a look here. Yeah, the reason why I enter the charts all the time is because sometimes we're just too locked into the current charts, and it takes a bit of time to go back and look at the old charts and review them, right? While we're waiting for a closure and such, right? So, you know what I mean? Trade taking on this rejection candle. My buy stops were a trigger breaking the highs.
That's gonna be a no for me, dog.
Wait, are you gonna sell or buys? Because this thing shows that you're gonna sell, but our tool shows you're gonna sell, but you said you're gonna buy.
Stop.
So if you got your buy stops, then like what happened down here? Did you get stopped out? This is your stop loss? Like what happened here? I'm confused. I'm confused.
He doesn't know how to use the trading tool.
You might gotta add more text to this. This is Circle FX. All right, 1 hour forward close below support. Respecting the breakout lows. Wait. Oh yeah, that was off the 4 earlier. Yep, that was my entry too. That was the entry we had during pre-New York this morning in the single channel. W. Next forward count close bullish for respecting resistance. Enter on the breakout of 4 lows. Secure partials at 12 pips. Oh, me too. I secured at 15. I think
that's yesterday.
No, that was this morning. That was a trade I took this morning. I think I secured at 15. Yeah, 15. We secured 15. And then yeah, same exact trade. Nice, perfect trade. How much was that
this
one?
Morning?
Yeah, we took one.
7 to 7 a.m.
I was in there. It activated the one at 7 a.m. or 6:30.
We had a trade at 6:30. 6:27. Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, you had 2 trades today? Or you took a trade before stream? Or is this?
Oh, okay. No, I read it wrong. Yeah, we caught this. This is the one from last night. This is the one that we closed 50%. We closed 50% of our positions at 6:27 at 15. And then this one, for a second I thought it said it closed here. I'm like, wait, we didn't take another trade. This is Mustafa BE this morning, and then that was break even, and then this is the delete sell stop. So that was the day. But the sell stop was sent last night at 3 a.m. around there, and then activated this morning on a 4-hour starting play. So that was a trade. You ran out of battery. Yeah, bro. Sorry, I had to reboot my system. Baby, can I vibe with you?
Hold on, you closed 53 pips or you closed 15 pips?
What's 9? We closed 50% at 15. Where do you see 53 pips? If we activate. Oh wait, we closed earlier because small time frame shows type of rejections there, and then we hit break even right after too. Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I've got it.
Make sure to take it a day. Well, this month we have 36 trades this month. Holy, we have a lot of trades this month. 36 like signals sent. A lot. Look, 12 break evens all got 12 bips. I'm pretty sure.
Maybe 2 to 3 trades a day this month.
Yeah, quite a bit.
And
again, like I don't think August.
2 or 3 per session. I think this month we had like a couple of Asian, couple of New York. Yeah.
Yeah. As for a spreadsheet, like I said it before too when we were down for the month. Like I don't think August is a bad month. Even when we were down, I said the same shit. I'm like, I don't think August is a bad month. It's just might not be performing as well, right? Or our trades aren't playing out, but it doesn't mean you're now going to switch up your training style, your plan, your strategy, right? Same shit every day, and you know, kept the same plan, and things picked up, right? But August, like volume is there. Like I honestly don't think volume, like it's this one's any different from last month, to be honest. You have decent volume. If anything, like you're pushing back towards like the normal volume, because ever since the whole Ukraine thing went down, things have been very volatile, right? So people aren't used to the fact that things are slowing down here. But we've been in the markets for like a couple of years now, and we've seen all the cycles. I've seen gold when it was ranging for like a whole month and a half in December in 2019. I've seen gold last year. Like I know what the volume normally is. So this for me isn't really like anything too crazy this month. I'm not like freaking out over it.
Where you at? Where you at for the month? You said you're up, back up.
Yeah, we're back up. I think I'm around like 6%, or 5%.
I'm exactly 2.5% up for the month.
We're down 5 or 4.
Yeah, it was down like 7% right now. I'm up 2.5% on the dot.
Trade taking out the rejection channel. My bosses were triggered breaking the highs. So if your boss got triggered and your stop loss is down here, didn't the stop loss hit? That means it didn't play out. Okay, hit stop loss before it drove up, right? Your boss was here, came down, broke the lows, and then drove up after. So this hit stops, right?
Was your setup wrong? Yeah, you're in the wrong direction. It's a sell. You're looking for buys in a bearish market.
Like if you got in here, then yeah, stops below a candle lows. But you got in here and your stop is here, so I mean, I don't know what to tell you. It hit stops, right? I'm confused. Like, did it hit stops or not?
Even then, it's a range 1, and you'd expect the fake out to come back down. Range 2 there.
Yeah, working on it, Ken. Like I think yesterday we closed 75% last night. Or the day before at like 12 pips or something like that. I remember. It depends. You ever sleep? Of course.
Sleep's overrated.
Whenever I'm not streaming, I'm sleeping. Whenever I feel a signal's not being sent, I'm sleeping. Nah, I sleep, man. I sleep. You go from that 5%. Yeah, because this week, look at the week. This week was just perfection. Or at least from the 14. The 14 started here, right? Oh wow, we had a bad start to the week, but things picked up on the 17th. all I need is one pip win. That's all I needed.
You got 3 dogs, so your cooking story? No, that was dinner.
What?
he was
Pocket.
He was prepping dinner.
Out of pocket, bro. Out of pocket.
He feeding them dogs to get a little porky, so. Ooh, nice little beer. You got the cow he's cooking?
Let them smell. We didn't have any fresh time, so we're doing some dry time. It's fine. But yeah.
Pocket.
Hey, for like half the people on this stream, it's normal. Like, where are you guys from? Like, Korea or China? Like, that's normal. Dog's like, fuck, I don't want to be next.
Yo, fuck. No, out of pocket, bro. Out of pocket.
Hot dogs. Got them glizzies running around.
Well done. That was more on the medium side. The steak was a little thinner, so I wasn't like. I was also making a video too, so things were very delayed. But it was like more on the medium side. It wasn't well done though.
Nah, that shit was crispy. You could probably eat the bone. Hey, chat. Any one of you cut your steak like that in the middle, like right in the middle?
Yeah, you cut the middle first to see how like what the cut in the middle is the most important part when you cut a steak, because that shows like what the cook is. This is more on the medium side though. It's like a little pinkish.
It's not supposed to be done any more than that.
Yeah, I put for a little longer. I messed up because I was recording videos and like, get the butter, gotta baste it. So it's just a lot.
1 minute each side. I'd say like 1.5 minutes for searing. 90 seconds, like perfect time to
I think I could each side for like 2 minutes, like a minute, 2 minutes there at most, and it was still like that.
I do it on a grill, so you know what I do? I lay it down for 1.5 minutes, and then I won't flip it. I'll turn it 90 degrees or 180 degrees sideways, and do another 1.5 minutes, and this way it gets the little scoop, the jail cell pattern. That's what I like to call the jail cell pattern. And you know, right? When you're eating and someone's eating next to you and they're eating like this, like if this is their plate and they're eating like this, with their elbows right on the sides of their plate, that means they've done time before. Because that's how we eat in jail, like this.
Who is we?
Well, that's how food used to be eaten in jail, I guess. Who's we? Well, whenever I went on vacation, that's how we ate. Wix, you telling my business. Nope, Wix was on vacation. That Wix that time? Nope, Wix was on vacation. That's right, vacation, baby. Builds character.
Anywho, we have 6 minutes left for a closure here, and if you don't close what you want to close, we're gonna call it a day early today because it's Friday. You ain't got a job.
You ain't got shit to do. We're gonna get you high today.
Friday, yo, think about all the times. Like, think about it. Every time we said that on a Friday, how many times have we said that? A lot. So there's been a lot of Fridays that passed by. If you think about it, this year flew by. If you guys have that calendar that you cross off the week, man, that thing got filled. Think about it. What did you do? What did you do starting this year? Like at the start of the year compared to what you're doing now? Like, well, what difference did you make? What'd you do?
That's a rhetorical question.
Shit. Did a lot change for you? Where's the life calendar?
I don't keep the life calendars.
That's scary, man. Imagine like seeing you down at, like the bottom and like
Crossing off
shit.
shit off of your life. Like, no, fuck that. I'd be adding boxes. All right, one more box to add.
Imagine you're on this box down here. Like, bro, that's scary. No, man, that's messed up. Like this calendar, I'm over here somewhere. I'm like over here.
People really like love to be reminded of their mortality, and I'm like
Wait, what do you say?
it's gonna happen. It's gonna be forever.
You don't notice that you're aging until you're like you get older, right? Or how?
What?
Is that true? Or how's it work? When you were 20, you didn't care what your age, right? But now that you're older, you're like, ah, shit, time's running out, or no?
They say age is just a state of mind.
Mm.
Yeah, but try telling that to somebody that has arthritis and they're like 80. That's not a state of mind. That's fucking.
When I was 18,
aging.
I was living life free. When I'm 22 now, I'm thinking about life like I don't got a lot of time.
No, it flies. You hit 30, it takes like 3 days to hit 40.
Damn, hitting 22 is scary, man. Damn, we're thinking about life now, chat. Shit.
Quick math.
Just fucking trade. Don't teach you not to have a target, just fucking trade. Yeah, exactly. Don't have a life target.
Wixnai, what age? I am teen age. I'm 11 teen.
Chat got way too deep. Exactly.
You guys gonna make me crash my Tessie.
Oh, it's not here. Ike, you're not that old, man. You're like, yeah, a cool 20.
Word, I got a bunch of years on you.
Yeah, age, you're like Wix's age.
He got some time to go to get to my age.
22 is young man, yeah, but I try to tell that to a 22-year-old or 18-year-old. But then again, like every year as you get older.
But I'm 41, yeah, but you know what I'm saying? Age is a state of mind.
I mean, you could be 35 and act like a 22-year-old. Or you can be 22 and act like a 35-year-old. I've seen it. We've
Bro,
seen it.
I get a haircut and I get ID'd. I mean, I get a shave and I get ID'd everywhere.
We've seen it, right, chat? Right?
Holla.
Yo, look how crisp my camera is. So zoomed in. Old man, you're like. We've seen it, right, chat? Wow. Right? You have wrinkle already? Wrinkle? Yeah, I need to hit sunscreen every day on my face.
I got that one wrinkle.
Yeah, how's this 4 gonna close here? GJ, please close respecting that support so we can call it a day. Gold, please close. I mean, doesn't matter where gold closes, to be honest. Gold looks pretty chalked. This next 4 count could drive up, yeah, but I don't want any buys today. I'm
Not even 9 a.m. yet.
I may call it a day because buys are gonna be about like 1760. We had a pretty good week. I don't want to.
Fuck it, call it a year. We'll see you guys in January. Second week of January, we'll be back on.
I one loss on stream this week. What's his week percentage on stream? We probably made a good maybe 1 or 2%. Probably go around 1%, right? 1 point something percent probably on stream. If you guys went as planned. Okay, so the 4 candle closes on GJ and about, wow, GJ is not bad. But I'm probably gonna call that day, guys, to be honest with you guys. Gonna go get my day started. Hey, chat, anyone going to CNE tonight? Toronto? Are you guys going to CNE tonight? It's opening up for the first time in like years. Are you going, Nav?
Hell to the no, no, no.
CNE, let's go.
Sunny long. It's like a Florida day. Sunny long.
I'm also pretty tired too. I've only slept for like a couple hours last night, but I got energy for Apex. Chat. So the 4 count here on GJ closed bearish here pretty nicely. You have a potential wick fill coming down to fill the range. It's not bad. Wait for a top wick. Sellers here for a wick fill coming down isn't bad at all. The range going down there. As for gold, on the other hand, gold. Oh, close my chart by accident. That's a sign. I usually don't do that. Gold on the other hand looks like it is closing bullish on the 4-hour candle. It's still in this 4-hour range here. It gets a little tricky here. It's at this resistance, at the support. This is the range we're in. You probably would want a range to breakout buy, but that's gonna be above here probably. Anywhere above 1760, going up towards the next resistance, which is gonna be 1767. Isn't bad, but again, no buys until you break above there. That range going up above there is around 71 pip range going up. All right, not bad, but wait for a closure above and you should be good. GJ is not bad though. GJ is pretty clean. I bet your stops in GJ. 29 pips. Oof. 68 pip target. Wow. Oh, on that note, Wordo. Are you gonna trade still, Wordo or Wix, or? I just called you Wordo by accident. That's how I know I'm tired.
You gonna trade Wordle? I'm on to like 10. What do we get? R? That's it?
Yep, RR. What is this? Bad guess, but whatever. Nice. Argo's there. Good guess. What is this?
No. I was looking at Burns, but there's no. Oh. No N. No S at the end.
Burp.
We need an S. There's got to be an S. Which vowels we got? Crip? S-T-R-I something. Is that our only vowel? The I? Or the U?
Ah. Been good.
No T.
Yeah, no.
Surge. Oh no, no E.
This is hard, man. I'm about to give up.
Furry? No, that's Fury. Furry would be like Furry, I guess.
S.
Oh yeah. Birds.
Fuck, I'm trying this. I don't care.
Surely. Surly.
Oh.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We suck. But the U is in there.
What is this? Everything else, right? It has to be an I in the middle, right? I second letter.
SPR.
Oh yeah.
Something. Spray. For you. Bucks. Scrub.
Oh. Love, baby, live for your love. What is this? What is this? This don't play.
Shrub. SHRUB.
Shrub.
No. That's a sharp. SHR.
How'd you get? Oh.
Oh.
How'd you get that?
Damn.
The shrub.
SH. A shrub, like a bush, no? Or something like that.
Oh, a shrub.
Yeah. Shrub.
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 Shrug. Shrug. Shrug.
Oh, shrug. We.
Let's go. I knew it was shrug. I knew it was shrug the whole time.
Yeah, we knew that one. Set you the alley oop.
Yeah, definitely knew that one. Just winged it. Then you overthink. Over your love.
Range 2.
Anywho, guys, it is time to call it a day and move on to the weekend and on to next week. All right, so we had a pretty decent week this week. Don't mess it up. On to the next, right? On to Monday. I'll see you guys there. Peace out.
Make sure you guys hop on for Asian session tonight. It's gonna be fire.
It's gonna be fire. So fire that I would just won't even be there.
Don't even be there. We'll discuss Bitcoin at 5 p.m. tonight.
All right, chat.
See you Monday.
See you guys on Monday, right, at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. And yeah, peace out. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys being here today as always. Thanks, mods. Love you guys.
Hit him with that fire.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to De Niro. But I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem. All of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus. Driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my top. Sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high five. Nigga, I be spiked out, I could trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I most definitely from with OG at a Yankee game. Shit, I made the Yankee hat more famous than the Yankee king. You should know I bleed blue, but I ain't a crypto. But I got a gang of niggas walking with my click though. Welcome to the melting pot. Corners where we selling rock. Africa been by the shit. Home of the hip hop. Yellow cap, gypsy cap, dollar cap, holla back. For foreigners it ain't fair, they act like they forgot how to act. 8 million stories out there in the naked city. It's a pity half of y'all won't make it. Me, I got a blood special and I got it made. If Jesus paying LeBron, I'm paying Dwayne Wade. 3 dice CeeLo, 3 card Marley. Labor Day parade, rest in
Listen, but y'all run CeeLo in real life.
liberty. Long live the world trade, long live the king, yo. I'm from the Empire State. That's
I fucked up. I'm ending.